Alright, so today we've got something really special, interesting. I haven't really seen a whole lot of these, but these are 3D printed Nintendo game cartridges. So right here, I've got the classic Pokemon green here. I got Bulbasaur in the front. Venusaur. So yeah, I think the print is really high quality. Yeah, they even emulated like all the ridges there on the side. And another interesting thing too is you can decorate with these. So they've got a slot for like a wall, like a nail or bolt or whatever that just slots in, and you can just hang it on your wall.
So this game here is Nintendo 64, pretty popular console from, you know, what I've heard around the scene. And this is Super Smash Bros, which is also an extremely popular game. I'm really bad at it from the few times I've played, but I know it can be fun for some people, especially people that are really good at the game. And yeah, we got Mario as the main character, of course, the main man himself. I think that's Samus, who is a girl somehow. And then we have Pikachu here, classic character as well. But yeah, I don't have much to say because I really don't know anything about Super Smash Bros. I just know the characters on the thing. It's really well crafted, and I know how the game is shaped. And based off the work I see here, is just a scaled up version of a Nintendo 64 game with Super Smash Bros. So I would rate this as a pretty high quality product right here. It's good if you want to put them on a shelf or put it up on your dresser or just show it off like I love Super Smash Bros, you know, stuff like that. Whatever. But yeah, that's what I would rate this. I wouldn't put this up in my room because I don't like Smash, but I know people do, so that's what I have to say.
But yeah, being the first one in the series, it's got the smallest roster. It was the first of its kind. No one had ever really seen a platform fighter before, and so yeah, Nintendo just did what with the resources they could, and yeah, I'd say it turned out. I personally love the game, so yeah, I would rate this one. I actually haven't played this game, so this would be like a, I don't know, 7 out of 10 for me.
Great.
And for that one, oh, I'll give that an 8 out of 10.
Pretty sturdy as well.
Yeah.
No. 3D art. Take one. Yeah, 3D printed game.
First take.
Pokemon Green.
Can I say Smash is overrated?
Oh,